Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a greater than or equal to symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in greater than or equal to, and the LaTeX code here is a backslash followed by GEQ. Now to actually show this symbol, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the greater than or equal to symbol here, centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the greater than or equal to symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.